What up, y'all? Flux here. My girl Jen Laura be keeping me company on cold nights, but players, they don't be locked up too long. Questions, anyone?
How to live. I got my lady talking to me, trying to tell me how to live. I got my lady talking to me, trying to tell me how